Hey guys, Chazzy Thunder here, and welcome back to another video. Today, in this video, we are doing an unboxing. I just got back from Tampa Bay Comic Con. I forgot to record everything. Kind of sucks. Gotta go pictures. But, so, here's what we're unboxing. It's a big Nintendo 64 controller. And it's a box. Honestly. Skittle. If you watched my Have an Announcement video, you know who that is. Yeah. Newest member of the squad. Good, you want to come down? Or you want to scratch? Okay, you want to scratch your face. That's awesome. This thing is like a pain in the butt to open. Pain. 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 Oh, the nose pain. All right. So I took a little peek because I was really anxious to see what's in. So we're just gonna randomly grab. Not gonna grab the biggest item, of course. Let's grab this one. Right. So this is a DC Comics Heroes and Villains. Unipo. It's the most heroic villain state ever. We'll open all the packages at the end of the video. Let's just put this right here. Another mystery thing. Game Bucks. Is this a wallet? I'll open this at the end of the video as well. After we've gotten everything out of the box. Dragon Ball Z shot glasses. Here, look like those. Zootopia vinyl figure. I hope I get Flash. Flash is my favorite. Oh my stars. It's a Doctor Who thing. I don't watch Doctor Who, but I can hit it to my wristbands on my arm. So, let's try a Darth Vader arts and crafts thing. So it's flat, and you just fold it and stuff, I guess. The sonic screwdriver from the Third Doctor. This is the original sonic screwdriver, apparently. This is Scarface. From Scarface. It's a wacky walker. It comes with a car and everything. It's pretty awesome. Okay, one more item in here. Alright. Comment down below what you think is in here. Okay? I already know what's in here because I'm looking at the tag. So, I don't know the design. But it's really stupid because look. This bag is not a toy. Let's just go ahead and open it, why don't we? It's nice. I was hoping it was a t-shirt. We didn't get, but we did get this awesome blanket. It's Darth Vader on both sides. I'll show you. I just looked at the face and I automatically knew. Oh, no way! That's awesome. All right, get this in here. It's pretty cool. Well, I guess we'll start unboxing things. Except for some things. Unbox the vinyls and stuff. That's pretty cool. It's blanket. Alright, so what should we unbox first? Let's unbox this one, because we already know what this one is. It's a Batman, so... Sadly, I don't... Okay, I know who it is, because just by feeling, it's always what a good person does, is feel the vinyl. It is the main character. Like, I don't know if this is Batman. Because it doesn't say Batman on it, it just has Batman right here. So, I won't open this, however. Because this is, like, antique. And so is this. I won't open this either. Because... you're supposed to. Anyway, it's just, open this, I guess. We got 2 Dr. Seuss. I just picked which one was heavier, honestly. Out of the 2 he chose for me. And a new addition to the bracelet collection. So, we're gonna open this now, I guess. This is a weird, cheap wallet. It's made out of paper. Like, I could rip this if I wanted to. And it's hard construction paper. But it's more like a collector's item, so. Cool little thing right there. DC Comics. See, it might be a random one. Yo, no way. Dang it. Just by feeling it's not Batman. But it's not Flash either. That sucks. That's what it is. Not Flash. It could either be Batman, Joker, or Mr. Joker. I mean, Superman, Joker, or Mr. And it is the most common one. I've seen people get these all the time. Joker. I want you to look real closely on this Look how creepy that is. Oh my god. I had second thoughts about opening that. Last but not least, the Dragon Ball Z shot glasses. Alright, so first shot glass is, I used to watch Dragon Ball Z, but I don't really anymore. First character is maybe this guy. I forget his name. Comment down below his name. Just type purple shot glass, da 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 da. An orange shot glass. Dang it. And just orange shot glass name, because I don't know this one either. I was hoping it was Goku. Not, sadly. Focus camera. But it's okay. Take it easy. I'll just give these to my parents, who gladly enjoy them. Like they even have shots. But okay. That's about everything that I'm going to open for you guys, because I kind of don't want to open everything. Like this is old, so I don't want to screw with it. Like, it's really old. Like, look at this old packaging. But this one is not meant to be opened. I don't think you can open it, but I can. Looks like this. I'm just gonna use my fidget spinner to cut this one. Alright. See, it can be opened. It's not meant to be opened. Like it's supposed to. Like you can take it out and stuff. But I like to let them have their value and stay in the box. So I'm going to keep it in the box because it does damage the box when you open it. It's cool. It doesn't roll or anything because it's a bobblehead, but that is pretty cool if you guys like Scarface. So let's go ahead and put him back in here where he belongs. Scarface. Coming to an app store near you. Mint. I did open the pop. Not pop. There was one that came with a minimum of 4 pops. But I was afraid they're going to be Disney pops, and I only collect superhero pops, so. It just got real dark in here. Oh yeah. It's my fidget spinner, just in case you guessed it. No, I'm not gonna do this one, because I'm not gonna build it. So, I guess that was my unboxing video for today. I'm not, and if you guys are wondering if I'm going to do one tomorrow and the day after that, no, because I only got a Friday pass, because I'm going to do it one day. So, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Because we're busy tomorrow and the day after that. Close this. Get this one down. Put this down here in the corner. This keep that staring over there. For one reason only. It's freaking scary staring at that at night. Guarantee. So make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications. Skittle, you awake? Skittles, can you want to come down for the vid? So this is Skittle. Alright, Skittle, tell them what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, comment down below the stuff you said to comment, and hope you enjoyed the video, and bye! Ah! Ow, 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 okay. Okay, bye guys, I guess, and see you in the next video.